You players of instruments shall go forth, yeah? Music is a joy. Right now, we're at Yardstyle Live. Big up Music Phil, whole team. Okay. I don't believe in superstars, organic food and foreign cars. I don't believe the price of gold, the certainty of growing old, that right is left and left is wrong, and north and south can get along, that east is east and west is west, and being first is always best. I believe in love. I believe in making babies. I believe in mom and dad. Yes, I believe in you. I don't believe that heaven waits for only those who congregate. I'd like to think of God as love. He's down below, he's up above. He's watching people everywhere. He knows who does and doesn't care. But I'm an ordinary man. Sometimes I wonder who I am. I believe in love. I believe in music. I believe in magic. Yes, I believe in you. Let me tell you this. I know with all my certainty, no one at all with you and me is something good. Girl, I know it's true. Girl, I believe in you. I don't believe virginity is as common as it used to be. While working days and sleeping nights, that black is black and white is white, that Superman and Robin Hood are still alive in Hollywood, that gasoline is in short supply, the rising cost of getting by. I believe in love. I believe in old folks. I believe in children play, 'cause I believe in you. Yes, I believe in love. I believe in making babies. I believe in mom and dad. Yes, I believe in you. Girl, I believe in you. Girl, I believe in you. Girl, I believe in you. Yes, I believe.